Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
Wagwan, what's great? Chef John Meister Gedman presenting to you spinach dip. Served with some pita chips, whether baked or fried. Now, today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare spinach dip at home. So forward, let me show you Wagwan. So the first thing we're going to do to start, we're going to make an Alfredo sauce. So the first thing you want is butter. We're going to take half the amount of butter and half flour. We're making a roux. We're going to go in with some chopped garlic and some chopped onions. You can use white or red onions, your choice. I'm going to saute these off a little bit. I'm going to season that with a little bit of salt and pepper. And then add straight to that flour. Give that a nice mix to combine all the dry flour with the butter. So I'm going to mix 3/4 cups of heavy cream and milk so it's equal portions of both. Give that a mix. Allow it to come to a boil. If you look right there, see how instantaneously it's starting to get thicker. I'm going to add to that about half teaspoon of basil. Reduce our flame to around 5. Look at that. Nice thick sauce. So that's the Alfredo. To that I'm going to add my cream cheese. You can take the cream cheese out of the fridge and let it reach the room temperature so that it's easier to melt. You can see how soft that is right there. Mix that until the cream cheese becomes creamy. Get rid of all of those lumps. At this point, we're going to taste to see what it's like. Going to add to that all-purpose seasoning. Allow this to cook on medium-low for about a minute, just to get that cheese melted fully. I'm going to go straight in with my chopped spinach. Mix that right in. Then I'm going to add mixed cheese. Gonna go in with some green onions and mixed bell peppers. Allow this to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on low heat until the spinach is softened. Now I'm gonna be serving these with some pita breads. You can either use this type of pita or you can use the flatbread pita, right? And I'm gonna be frying mine. So first you wanna cut that in half, overlap that. Cut it in half again, overlap that, and you make a mark to cut that in 3 equal portions. So just like that. We're just going to deep fry these. You can opt to bake them if you prefer the healthier way. I like them deep fried. My oil is at 350 degrees. Just going to go straight ahead and fry these. These fry really quickly, so I want to keep a close eye on them. About a minute, fry them real nice. So we start to achieve that color. We're going to remove them right away, because remember, when you remove them from the oil, they're still frying. Just rise that up. Allow them to drain. Now, if you use the pita flatbread, they won't be as curled up as these, but because these are the hollow ones, so that's why they're like that. You just want them nice at a golden brown and crispy. I'm going to put these on some paper towel to absorb the excess oil, and then we fry until all our pita breads are finished. Just going to turn off my spinach dip mix while these are frying. Now I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese straight in there. Alright, follow me. Let me show you how we finish this off in the oven real nice. We're just going to pour that into a bowl. Look at that. Beautiful. Imagine if we had red peppers this would be more so beautiful. Add a little bit more cheese on top. Pop this in the oven at 380 degrees Fahrenheit until all the cheese is melted and have a golden look to it. But after the cheese is melted, I'll show you what it looks like on a platter. And there you have it, 4 cheese spinach dip, made easy here on Morris Time Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel, and go and big up on yourself.
Show me the part that make me start so speed. But know if you use the meat and control you, so that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.